Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the packing list function in the Hotels Combined application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right, and at the settings section just click on the trips button and just scroll down, and at the very end look for the packing list button, and to enable this function just click on the white circle next to it, and once it turned blue, this function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.